Slow living is not about doing less. It is about doing things with intention. In the home, this philosophy translates into spaces that reduce mental noise and encourage presence. A slow living interior does not rush the eye or overwhelm the senses. Instead, it invites calm through simplicity, balance, and thoughtful design choices that support clarity of mind and emotional well-being. Designing for the mind, not just the eye. Homes designed for mental clarity prioritize how a space feels rather than how much it impresses. Visual calm allows the mind to settle, while overstimulation creates fatigue. Slow living interiors avoid excessive contrast, sharp transitions, and unnecessary decoration. Every element exists for a reason, contributing to a sense of ease rather than demand for attention. The importance of a gentle arrival. The experience of slow living begins the moment one enters the home. A soft, uncluttered entryway creates an immediate shift from the outside world. When shoes, bags, and distractions are discreetly stored, the mind is free to relax. This controlled arrival sets the emotional tone for the entire living space and reinforces a sense of grounding. Open spaces that breathe. Slow living homes embrace openness without emptiness. Spaces are allowed to breathe, with enough negative space to prevent visual overload. Furniture placement supports flow and comfort rather than formality. The absence of crowding allows the body to move naturally and the mind to rest without constant stimulation. Natural light as a daily ritual. Light is one of the most powerful tools in a slow living home. Soft, natural daylight supports circadian rhythms and enhances emotional balance. Window treatments are designed to filter rather than block light, creating a gentle glow throughout the day. As the light changes, the home subtly shifts in mood, reinforcing awareness of time and presence. Neutral palettes that soothe the senses. Color in slow living interiors is chosen for an emotional impact rather than trend value. Warm neutrals, softer tones, and muted shades create stability and calm. These palettes reduce visual tension and allow the mind to settle, making the home feel safe and restorative rather than stimulating. Textures that invite touch and comfort. Texture plays a crucial role in slow living. Soft linens, natural woods, stone surfaces, and woven textiles add depth without noise. These materials connect the space to nature and invite tactile interaction, which grounds the senses and encourages mindfulness in everyday moments. Furniture that supports restful living. Furniture in a slow living home is selected for comfort, longevity, and simplicity. Shapes are gentle, proportions are balanced, and materials feel honest. Nothing feels temporary or rushed. Each piece supports rest, conversation, or quiet reflection, reinforcing the home's role as a place of restoration, reducing visual and mental clutter. Mental clarity depends heavily on visual order. Slow living homes prioritize hidden storage and thoughtful organization. When daily necessities are easily accessible yet invisible, the mind is not constantly reminded of unfinished tasks. This quiet order creates a background of calm that supports focus and relaxation. Space is designed for stillness. A home designed for slow living includes areas dedicated to pause. Reading corners, window seats, or softly lit rooms encourage moments of stillness without distraction. These spaces are not filled with technology or noise, but are intentionally calm, allowing the mind to slow down and reconnect. Sound, silence, and emotional balance. Acoustic comfort is essential to mental clarity. Soft furnishings, rugs, curtains, and textured surfaces absorb noise and reduce echo. A quieter environment lowers stress and makes everyday activities feel more intentional and less rushed. Silence becomes part of the design language. Living with less, feeling more. Slow living is not about minimalism for appearance, but about clarity for well-being. When a home contains fewer distractions, it allows more room for thought, emotion, and presence. Each object holds meaning, and each space supports a common way of living. A home that restores rather than demands. The ultimate goal of slow living design is restoration. A home should not ask for constant attention or effort. Instead, it should support the mind, soothe the senses, and provide a gentle rhythm for daily life. When design aligns with emotional needs,